The Manila International Airport Authority has put all flights on hold following Taal Volcano's ash explosion on Sunday. Due to the eruption of the Taal Volcano, all flights, both arrival and departures, are now on hold.
This is Life in the Philippines. Breaking news alert.
On Sunday morning, January 12th, the Taal Volcano in Batangas erupted, spewing ash a mile high in the air as tourists evacuated. The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines indicated that the Taal Volcano emissions have already reached Manila skies. The agency also advised that residents near the volcano be evacuated amid the ongoing volcanic activity and the possibility of a volcanic tsunami. The Manila International Airport Authority has put all flights on hold following Taal Volcano's ash explosion on Sunday. Due to the eruption of the Taal Volcano, all flights, both arrival and departures, are now on hold. Passengers are advised to coordinate their respective airlines for flight updates. The MIAA said on its official Facebook page at around 6 p.m. General Manager Ed Monreal of the MIAA said airlines may opt to use other airports, but the capital's main gateway is definitely not an option as of this moment. A towering presence, run like the wind. Be a king or a queen. Life in the Philippines.